Solana's not competing with Ethereum anymore. It's building the next generation of the internet. Back in 2020, Solana was just another blockchain project chasing speed. But fast forward to today, and its vision is chasing something much, much bigger: the future itself. Welcome to DCA CRYPTO. Today we're diving deep into the future of Solana and what it means for all of us. Solana's next chapter isn't just about faster transactions or lower fees. It's about creating an entirely new kind of internet. Picture this: a world where your phone, your digital identity, and all your online assets live seamlessly on one single, decentralized layer. This isn't science fiction, it's the mission, and it's already in motion. That's where Solana Mobile comes in. The Saga phone wasn't just a cool tech experiment. It was a powerful statement from Solana to the entire world. Web3 belongs in your pocket. It was a declaration that decentralized technology shouldn't be confined to desktop browsers and complex interfaces. It should be as accessible and intuitive as the apps you use every single day. And developers heard that call. Right now, they're building a new wave of dApps designed natively for Solana Mobile. We're talking about everything from hyper-intuitive wallets that make sending crypto as easy as a text message, to sophisticated AI chatbots that can trade for you directly on-chain. This isn't about creating hype or chasing temporary trends. It's about deep, meaningful integration. It's about building the bridges that finally connect the immense power of blockchain to our everyday lives, making it practical, useful, and indispensable. Now let's talk about the next frontier, where things get truly mind-blowing: tokenization and AI-powered DeFi. Solana's infrastructure has evolved to a point where it can support the tokenization of real-world assets. What does that mean? It means that tangible things, from shares in a company to a piece of real estate, can be represented as digital tokens on the Solana blockchain. Transactions that used to take days and a mountain of paperwork can now happen in seconds, securely and transparently. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine adding a layer of artificial intelligence on top of that. This is where AI-driven DeFi comes into play. Decentralized finance guided by intelligent, autonomous agents. Think about an AI trader that doesn't just follow preset rules. Instead, it actively interacts with liquidity pools, analyzes market trends in real time, learns from its trades, and executes complex strategies, all on its own, running autonomously on the Solana network. This isn't just an evolution of finance, it's finance being completely rebuilt from the ground up, with efficiency and intelligence at its core. So, what does the world look like in 2030 with Solana in it? The vision is one of global, multi-chain interoperability. In this future, Solana isn't trying to kill Ethereum or any other blockchain. Instead, it's communicating with them, creating a seamless global layer that connects different ecosystems, users, and capital. The blockchain wars become a thing of the past, replaced by a collaborative network where value flows freely across chains. Stop thinking Ethereum killer. Start thinking Web3 backbone. That is Solana's true endgame. It's not about being the only chain. It's about becoming the invisible, foundational infrastructure that powers the decentralized internet. Like the TCP/IP protocols that run today's internet without you even noticing, Solana aims to be the silent, high-performance engine running the next generation of online experiences. Looking back, Solana's journey has been incredible. From a startup fighting to overcome downtime and prove its technology, it has transformed into a global movement, shaping the next phase of the internet. This story is about so much more than just code and hardware. It's a testament to the people who believed in a vision of unparalleled speed, the power of a passionate community, and the endless realm of possibility. Because in the end, that's what truly builds a lasting legacy. Real people, real technology, and an unwavering belief in what's possible. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Solana, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribe for more content, and follow the full Solana saga right here on DCA CRYPTO, where we decode the past, present, and future of blockchain innovation. Thanks for watching.